Greetings and good afternoon everyone. I am Atulya Pathak going to present a special report on C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, also known as the great Indian physicist, Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was born in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu on November 7, 1888. Raman naturally developed a passion for physics because his father was a teacher of the discipline. He was a standout student from the start. He passed his matriculation test from Madras University at the tender age of 12. As a bright and promising young man at Hindu College in Visakhapatnam and Presidency College in Madras, Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman pursued his education.
Good afternoon everyone and my respected teachers. I am Kavya, student of class 6E. We are here in a session of National Science Day. As we all know that we all celebrate National Science Day on April 28th Feb. Regarding this today, we are the students of class 6 gonna present some science experiment. First, you have read in chapter 15 in science, air around us. Regarding this, we are gonna show you an experiment named air present everywhere. The materials is only you need is an empty plastic bottle and a container filled with some water. So let's start. So he took an empty bottle and put it down in the water. As shown there, if he tilts the bottle once, there are some water bubbles. From water bubbles are coming out like this. It's shown that there is air present in water dissolved in dissolved form. It's shown that air present everywhere. Thank you for paying attention for us.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Eksha Singh. I am going to tell you a science activity. Take a plastic or a paper cup. Fix it on a stand with the help of a clamp. Attach a thread to a clip made of iron. Fix the other end of the thread at the stand. Bring the clip near the base of the cup. The clip is raised in area without supporting like a kite. The clip is flying on the air without support because the paper cup has magnet inside.
A warm welcome and hearty good morning to the gathering. This is Kaushki and my friends Shrishti and Zoya of class 60 to lead you all through today's science activity, mirror reflection. This activity should be done at night or in a dark room. Ask one of your friends to hold the mirror in your hand at one corner. Stand at another corner with a torch in your hand. Cover the glass of torch with the fingers with a small gap. Between them so that you can get a beam of light. Direct the beam of the torch light onto the mirror that your friend is holding. Do you see a patch of light on the another side? Now adjust the direction of the torch so that the patch of light falls on the another friend standing in the room. This activity suggests that the mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. Here is an activity that shows light traveling along straight lines and getting reflected by a mirror. I want to express my gratitude to everyone who paid attention to it. Please accept my deepest gratitude. This is a convex mirror and this is a concave lens and convex lens. Now, this is a plane mirror which we used in this activity. Thank you.
My name is Tamisha and her name is Tisha. We study in 7th E. Today we are going to do an experiment on utilization reaction. First we need an base and an acid. Base is an detergent and vinegar is acid. First put turmeric. Then put detergent as base. Stir it well. Let's look what's the pH of the solution. Answer is pH 12. Then pour some solution into another beaker. Then put vinegar as acid. First, let us see the pH of acid. The pH is 5. Now here you can see the solution comes in original position. This process is known as neutralization reaction. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Rukmanati from class 6F. My friend Mohanish Kumar do an activity which shows that air supports burning. Procedure: take a burning candle, place in on plate, fill plate with water, put a glass on it. After some time, candle will extinguish. Water will rise up to 1/5 of glass. Approximate 20% water will rise up in glass. It shows that air supports burning.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Kanishwarya. Today me and my friend Alok Kumar do an activity which show air supports burning. Procedure: take a burning candle. Secondly, place it on the plate, which we only place it on the plate. Thirdly, fill plate with water. Then put a glass on candle. After some time, candle will extinguish. Water will rise up to 1/5 of glass. Approximately 20% water will be rise up. It shows air support burning. Thank you and have a nice day.